Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're doing a little test hike. It's only about a mile with the pack, the new pack and everything. I'll put some video of how I pack the bag and everything like that in here as well. But as for today, we're just gonna do a quick hike. We got the dog with us. He's off leash, but I was the only one in the parking lot for this little trail, so no big deal. I got the Teton Explorer 4400. That's the pack that I'm using. It's very windy out today, and it's cold as well, but we're in training for and some other bigger stuff, so I figured come out today and test it out. I also brought some lunch, so we'll stop at a little picnic area they have on this trail and eat some lunch before too long. Yeah. So let's do the hike. So I stopped before. How's this? I didn't have to use them when I do have any use, but so I'm gonna take a little break, snack on this stuff, and then get back to the trail. I have the Teton Explorer 4000 backpack, and my original backpack was actually just a regular backpack. I think it was like a Dickies backpack that I attached everything to my bag with a carabiner. So I've actually got a couple carabiners on this one, but in this video we're going to actually separate everything, and I'm going to show you how I pack my bag. So yeah, let's unpack everything. Sit up. Okay. So this is everything that I carry. So tent and rain cover, rain fly, food. Usually I have about 4 of these, but I don't have a trip planned for this weekend, so we've got that. This is straps and things like that, just in case I need to tie up my bags, things in that nature. I've got a hammock, which usually I use as a footstep for my tent, my sleeping pad, drone case, camera case, sorry that's so loud, tent stake or poles, tent stakes, I've got my fuel and stove here, an Energizer headlamp, that was like $10 at Walmart, and then I've got plates, silverware, my Sawyer squeeze filter, a Sawyer pack, 1 liter pack, and then this also has cups, which is what I use to feed my dog, and then just a knife. You never know when you're gonna need a knife when you're out on the trail. So yeah. I've got to get a collapsible kettle, but that's the only thing that I'm missing from everything that I actually need. So we're going to now pack everything into the bag, and yeah. Oh, and I just didn't pull this out, but I have a 3-liter platypus water bladder. So that's also in there. So in the Explorer 4000 in here, there's actually unzippable shelving, but I like to keep everything nice and separated. I just feel like it's much easier to pack the tent and rain fly into there without having everything else. So yeah. Hiking. So I kind of compress these. Doesn't really change the flavor. Compress them down. You can still get them nice and flat. And I can fit 4 to 6 of them in here if I compress them down nice. And then my knife goes on this loop for easy access. Stop eating turds. So yeah, that's how I pack my bag.